Next in our percent category is percent of change. In this case, we use a formula where we take the amount of the change divided by the original amount. When we do that, that's going to give us a decimal as our answer, and then we convert that decimal to a percent by moving the decimal over two places. Let's look at a couple examples. Our first example, if a stock was at $15 yesterday and it closed at $3 today, what is the percent of change? First thing we have to do is find what is the difference. 15 minus 13 is $2. So we know that our change was $2. Is it an increase or a decrease? In this case, this was a decrease. That means when we find the percent of change, it's going to be the percent of decrease. Okay, now we know that the amount that changed was $2. We started with $15 yesterday, so 15 becomes our denominator. 2 divided by 15 is going to give us a decimal, 0.133. When we change that decimal to a percent, move it over two places, becomes 13.3%, percent of decrease. All right, now this is going to talk about something you've probably never seen before, but hey, it's an example. To use a payphone in the 1950s, that's even before I was born, it cost 10 cents. Today, it costs 35 cents. What is the percent of increase? Okay, first thing we have to do, find the amount of change. 35 minus 10 is a 25% increase. It went up. Okay, we're still finding the percent of change, but we're going to refer to it as a percent of increase. Now, the original amount was 10 cents way back in 1950. So that gives us 25 cents over 10 cents, or 0.25 over 0.10, which when we divide gives us 2.50. To change that to a percent, we move the decimal over two places, becomes 250% increase. The reason it is so large is our number on top was 2.5 times our number on bottom. Therefore, we have a percent of increase greater than 100.